Next we proceed on to function. What is that? On to function. This on to function will be based on what? One to one, many to one, on to. How we can proceed that on to function? Same. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. What is on to? It is related to one function. It is related to one function. All the elements we have. Suppose D is not there. D is not there. Or sometimes D is there. Okay, so this have. We can call it as what? 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1. But what is the meaning of on to? What is the meaning of on to? So 1 to 1, many to, on to. So on to வரும்போது நம்ம எப்படி ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், இப்போது 3 to A as usual, 4 to B, 2 to D, 1 to C. I have written here. Okay, 1 to 1, check all the elements in the codomain have image. Then it is called as on to function. If there is no what? Pre-image of any values. எதுக்குமே கனெக்ஷன் இல்லை, எல்லாத்துக்குமே கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு அப்படி இருந்தால் அதுக்கு பேர் on to function. It's clear? It is also called as one to one function and on to function and on to function. By combine we can call it as bijection. அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் நேம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, bijection. If you see the textbook, they will be shown like that, bijection. When we call it as bijection, if this arrow diagram have 1 to 1 and on to, check whether the given function is bijection. இப்போ கொடுத்துருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த டேர்ம் பைஜெக்ஷனா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 1 to 1, what is that? 1 to 1 and on to. அந்த ரெண்டு கண்டிஷனுமே ஓகேவா இருந்தால் தான் அது பைஜெக்ஷன். Understand it clear? So on to function is nothing but there is no remaining terms here. Okay, இதில் கனெக்ஷன் இல்லாமல், இந்த ஏரோ மார்க் கனெக்ஷன் இல்லாமல் தனியாக ஒரு லெட்டர் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்படி இருந்தால் அது ஆன் டு கிடையாது. அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன? இன்டு. அடுத்தது படிக்கப்படும் இன்டு. So we move on to next, into function. Into function, that is the meaning. What is the meaning of into function? Okay, so as I informed early, D is there. Okay, so which one I connected? 2 will be D. Here A, B, C, D. E will not have pre-image. It is standing alone. Okay, it is standing alone. It's clear? There is no arrow direction or arrow mark from that any of the element from here. In the mari meedi, not only one, we have more than one also. Then it is called as a into function. If any element in codomain have no pre-image, then it is called as a into function. So arrow mark போடும்போது மீதி ஏதாச்சும் 1 2 இருக்கும். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு பேரு into function. When I told that bijection, when the arrow mark have both conditions satisfied. What are the two conditions? 1 to 1 and on to. 1 to 1ஆவும் இருக்கணும் on to ஆவும் இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் அதுக்கு பேர் பைஜெக்ஷன். 1 to 1ஆ மட்டும் இருக்கு, on to-ஆ இல்லை. ஓகே, அதாவது இன்டுவா இருக்கு, அதாவது மீதி ஒன்று இருக்கு, அப்போ அது not a bijection. So this is all the information about the types of function: one to one, many to one, on to, into. It's clear? Now special function. Okay, இதையும் மீறி some additional concept இருக்கு. Constant, identity, real value function. What is that? Constant, identity, real value function. So what is the meaning of constant function? Actually constant means what? All should be same. Okay, suppose one of the team is selecting at the age of 10. Okay, ஒரு டீம் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லேயோ ஏதோ ஒரு இதுக்கு வந்து காம்படிஷன்லேயோ என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு செலக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஆல் ஷுட் பி அட் தி ஏஜ் ஆஃப் 10. நோ ஒன் ஷுட் பி பிலோ தட் ஆர் நோ ஒன் ஷுட் பி above that. Any person is 11, they will be rejected. Or any person will be 8, they will be rejected. Because the condition is given constant. All value will be same. எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரே category. So each have same category. புரியுதா? ஸோ வீட்டில் ஒன்று பேரண்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, டீ கொடுக்குறாங்க. புரியுதா? அளவு பார்க்குற, எங்கே பார்க்குற, உன் பிரதரோ சிஸ்டரோ பார்க்குற, அவனுக்கு மட்டும் நிறைய டீ வருது, எனக்கு மட்டும் ஏன் கம்மியாக இருக்குது, ஆர்கியூ பண்ணுறோமா? இஃப் போத் ஹாவ் சேம் லெவல், of tea or coffee, whatever is there, okay, so you will be satisfied because both are constant level. If anyone is increase, we are rejecting, or decrease also we are rejecting. So that is the meaning of the constant. So how we can represent in arrow diagram? See them. Okay, x, y, z. Here I am putting 1, 2, 3. Here putting 1, 2, 3. X is belongs to 2, y is belongs to 2, z is belongs to 2. Okay, so x is getting 2, y is getting 2, z is getting 2. All are constant. Equal. So this is called as a constant function. Understand? Is clear? Constant. How many elements? Even 5 or even 10. I am written 1 to 10. Okay, here I have written A, B, C. All 10 is also possible to go for what? Either one number. 10 பேருமே ஒரே நம்பரை choose பண்ணலாம். Then it is called as a constant function. Next, identity function. Identical means same. Identical means what? Same height, same weight. Male, both are female. The measurement of room will be same. So identity. How we can represent that identity? Suppose I am putting 1, 2, 3 means here also 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. 1 will be 1, 2 will be 2, 3 will be 3. You should not return like this. One will be different, another will be different. Whatever the terms is there, the same should be there, and even you should not connect cross. But we can suppose we put 1 here, no problem, you connect 1. Okay, 2 here means no problem, but 1 will be 1, 2 will be 2, 3 will be 3. If you putting 8 means 8. Whatever is there at any place, but the number should be same, identical. So that's why it is called as a identity function. Any doubt in this? Okay. Third, real value function. Just like a simple concept is this. Real value function is nothing but subset. Subset means what are the element which is present in relation that should be come under the subset of that. Subset of that. Suppose A is subset of union. A is subset of union. Union le 10 number இருக்கு. எத்தனை நம்பர்? What are the numbers means 1 to 10. 1 to 10. அப்போ A ல என்ன இருக்கணும்? அந்த 1 ல இருந்து 10 குள்ள தான் இருக்கும். 11, 15, 50, 20 இப்படி கூடாது. A should be a subset of U. U ல என்ன இருக்கோ அதுல ஒரு பகுதியா இருக்கும். அதாவது part. U is not a subset of A. Okay. A is a subset of U. A ல that is U ல என்ன இருக்கு 1 ல இருந்து 10 வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. அப்போ A கண்டிப்பா என்ன இருக்கணும்? இதுல இடையில இருக்கக்கூடிய ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு நம்பர் 4, that is 4 or 7 or 8 or 9, then it is called a real value function. Suppose A I return 0 or 20 or 40, it is not a real value function because it not come under that universe, this category. இதுக்குள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்பர்ல ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் அது ரியல் வேல்யூ ஃபங்க்ஷன். Understand it clear? Okay. So what are the special types of function? Constant, identity, real value. Constant means what I told, all the elements in domain, each element in the domain is the what image of the codomain. Okay, the element present here, how many you are not bothered about it, but it will be mapped. Mapped na the connection pair. Okay, these 3 elements is mapped to only one function or only one number. இந்த மூணுமே ஒரே நம்பருக்கு மேப்டா இருக்கு, ஜாயின் ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, so then it is called as a constant function. Identity function, what I told identity function, when what are the elements in domain, the same element should be in codomain, but each element is mapped to same. 1 should be mapped to 1, 2 should be mapped to 2, 3 should be mapped to 3. Okay, then it is called as identity function. Suppose I written this is in reverse order, 3, 2, 1. It is now it is not a identity function because 1 will not related to 3. You have to change the arrow. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. Now it is identity function, even if it is a cross, but the numbers are changed. 1 ஒன்றுக்கு தான், 2 2, 3 3. So this is the way we have to map the identity function. And I told about real value function is nothing but subset. Okay, any value which is subset of the given value is called as a real value function. So these are all the notes or explanation based on what relation of your function and types of your function. Sometimes the definition is also asked related to that what, this one, anything they will be asked in definition. 1 to 1 function, you have to give one example. Many to 1 function, on to function, into function, whatever the definition is asked, you have to write 1 or 2 lines based on that. Then you have to give some examples. They will be asked in 2 mark, not in a 5 mark. But based on this, you have to proceed certain example sums and exercise sums following. If you understand clearly, then you can follow it. It's clear? So after getting the textbook, you go through the page number in the textbook 15. Page number 15. What I thought now here, that will be from page number 15. You see that I already written in the just go see that representation of a function. Okay, set of ordered pairs, table, aerodynamic, graph. In the same page, they give about that vertical line test, and the examples are also given whether it is a function or not. Like that, in see that one example is given 1.11. This and all I will proceed in the next class. Types of function, and based on function sums I will be, and page number 17. Take out the textbook and refer that page number. Types of function. They are given one to one, many one, and on to, into. Each have certain definition, and diagrams with the examples is also given. And page number 18 is the same thing, on to, into. Each have one of the example. And page number 19, you verify that bijection. They will give one more examples also how the bijection will be proceeded. And we come on to page number 20. We see that horizontal line test. Here the given pictorial representation of one to one, on to, into, and many to one, and horizontal line test which is given on the page number 20. And some more sums related to that they are given. And page number 23, if you see that 22, the type special case, special functions is given. Constant, identity, and real value function. So if you go through clearly, then only we can follow the further sums. So if you not understand certain things, means it will be difficult to do the exercise or example sums. Okay, what I thought now in this class, so you have to proceed. What is the meaning of the each and everything? Ordered pair, table, arrow diagram, graph. You just go through the read and practice. What will be, then only the sum will be understand still more clear. Okay. So in further classes, I will proceed the exercise and example certain sums on page number 24 and 25. You have that exercise sums on 24 and 25. So before that, you go through the example sums further related to the page number. In today's class, I told that this page number 15 to 20. You go through that. What are the example sums? I will proceed certain on the next class. If you not able to clearly understand in further regular classes, whichever you understand, you proceed. Maximum I will solve the exercise sums more. Example sums only few related to the difficulties. Okay, easiest sum or whichever resemblance to exercise, you will practice in your home. Write the question and practice and check whether the answer is right or wrong. Exercise sum maximum I will prove it, other than homework. So today's homework is nothing but just you read all the definition and practice how we are getting in the representation of function, types of function. Simply you not all the times as a sum. Sometimes you get the questions in definition. It's clear? Okay.